Most of us react to money as it comes. Today, we take a more deliberate approach. Across the world, people make financial decisions based on feelings instead of facts. We feel unsure about buying a home. We feel like bills are rising faster than they should. Feelings are real, but numbers bring clarity. And today, AI can help us find that clarity quickly and with confidence. Think of ChatGPT not as a chatbot, but as a junior financial analyst at your side. It works anytime, it recognizes patterns, and it can run scenarios that might take you hours in Excel. Use case 1, the spending audit. Old way, typing every expense into a spreadsheet and hoping nothing gets missed. AI way, upload your bank statement and say, "Analyze this, categorize everything. Show me where I spent more than last month." In seconds, it highlights shifts in your spending and the subscriptions you may have forgotten. Use case 2, the Jargon Translator. Finance can feel complicated. Compound interest, expense ratios, mortgages. Paste the contract and ask, "Explain this like I'm 15. What should I pay attention to?" AI turns complex language into something clear, something you can act on. Use case 3, the what-if simulator. Old way, guessing how much you need for a car, a wedding, or a home. AI way, I want to buy a $300,000 home in 5 years. I have $10,000 saved. I can save $500 a month. Run the numbers. Then ask, is this realistic? What should I adjust? It turns a long-term hope into a practical plan. Use case 4, the Bill Negotiator. Many of us keep paying higher bills simply because calling customer service is, well, not our favorite task. Upload your bill and prompt, "Act as a negotiation expert. Analyze this. Write a script I can read to lower the price." It gives you clear, confident words to use, so you can advocate for yourself. Safety first. Always anonymize your documents. Black out account numbers and personal details. AI is powerful, but it's not meant to hold sensitive data. Final message. When we have clearer information, we make better decisions. These 4 prompts can help you do exactly that, one smart step at a time. Try one today. See how it changes the way you approach your finances. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more tools to help you move forward.